I never thought to look in the drawer in the bathroom vanity. Hey guys, I'm Mike.
I'm Laura.
And we are the
Match Made in Heaven.
Honey, I am so frustrated. I'm walking around the house yesterday and you're doing this. You're giggling. So I'm walking, men and women. Women may like power tools.
I do.
Yeah. I'm walking through the house yesterday and go down the garage. Where is my Bauer drill? Where is it? What do? You watch me walk back and forth a couple times?
And I said, you've walked past it 5 or 6 times.
I didn't know I was playing the game. Are you getting warmer? Are you getting warmer? Am I cold?
You were cold at first.
Seriously
and
though,
you got hot.
If you're like me, I assume you have your tools in a spot, and that's where you know to get them. Do I have my tools?
Yes,
what do I say?
You have.
It's
put
in the
it
second
back.
drawer, third drawer.
Put it back where you got it.
All right, so I think you'll have a good laugh, but you're going to see a video later on where I found this booger yesterday after I looked for it for 15 minutes. But what we wanted to do today is introduce Bauer Harbor Freight tools. So here at the Mead family, we like bargains, and I feel like this is a bargain, and I've been really impressed with the first couple tools that we purchased. We have the hedge clippers.
Which I love because the last time I used the hedge clippers, I cut through the electrical cord.
Yes, so we had to go battery and avoid that experience there. We didn't want the Lord to get shocked. And then most recently, we purchased the blower, which I love. I love to keep things blown off and clean. On the driveway we have and the porches. So Laura, being a great wife, purchased me for Christmas multiple. So I got a new battery. I always need batteries. So I got a battery. What else did I get? I got the reciprocating power there. I got the old flashlight. So battery, flashlight. I got me a circular saw. This is my first battery circular saw, if I could say it. Circular saw. And then a chainsaw. Can't ever have enough chainsaws. So I'm real excited about this one because I'm too lazy sometimes to get the gas out, mix it up, and get the regular chainsaw going. And this I'm hoping I can just grab real quick for those small cuts. So what we'll do in the future is we'll open these guys up and give them a good test. But like I said, if you're looking for some power tools at Harbor Freight, you have one of those near, I think you're going to like the Bauer line. And we continue to add to those devices. Once you get in and start buying your batteries, you'll probably want to commit to one particular manufacturer, and we've liked this one. So
yes,
hope you enjoy laughing a little bit, and look forward in the future to maybe we'll do some open boxes on these items.
I can't wait. I'm so excited.
Maybe Laura will open box one and put it to work for us and test it out.
Awesome.
Have a great day, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Alright guys, I've been walking all over the house looking for my drill, and somebody's laughing at me. Laura's been laughing at me because I can't find it. And look, it's hidden in a drawer in the bathroom vanity. Huh. I never thought to look in the drawer in the bathroom vanity. I never thought I would put my drill in there, but it's been a lot of laughs this morning. Does it cut our heads off, or is that just that? Look at that. Is it?
Just look at it.
Does it cut our heads off?
I don't know.
My head's still cut off. Do you see? Do you see my whole head? See, look at that. That's better. Now,
There it is.
look at that.
What do you know?
Hey.
Wait a minute.
I don't have no power.